Hi everyone, we have reached Kuala Lumpur after a 10-hour flight from New Zealand. We stayed in KL for 5 days in total. Currently, there are 272 concrete steps which lead to the various cave temples. The cave is one of the most popular Hindu shrines outside India and is dedicated to Lord Murugan. KL has a vibrant food culture with a mix of Malay, Chinese and Indian cuisine. We recommend Jalan Alor in KL if you want to taste some local food at the night market. There is also a street next to Jalan Alor which has a number of pubs if you fancy a tipple. We also visited the well-known KL Tower, which has a stunning view of the Petronas Twin Towers. The tickets for foreigners was 100 ringgit per person. We recommend this experience during the evening if you want a glimpse of the KL City line. After Kuala Lumpur, we travelled to Kota Kinabalu in the state of Sabah, which is East Malaysia.
You tired?
Hey guys, we're in Kota Kinabalu and we're currently at the Lokawi Wildlife Centre. We're about to go in and see some animals. Here they're supposed to have orangutans and elephants, and there's a tiger here I think, and a leopard, which is quite cool. So let's go and have a look and see what's there. Come with us. Sabah is well known for its native orangutans. We were disappointed that we could not make it to the Sepilok Orangutan Rehabilitation Centre, which is about 9 hours drive from KK. Malaysian weather is hot and humid most of the year, and their food is even hotter.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.